Well, greetings. This is Let It Be RV, and Ace wants to say hi. Hi, Ace. Hey. Yeah, he's my traveling partner, runs with me. He's probably 70 pounds now. Kind of wanted to show you where I'm at. Sitting in the backyard of my daughter's house in Everson, Washington. Here's my rig sitting here. I'm going to pan around, show you what the house looks like. Yep, very nice farmhouse. My daughter's an RN, and my son-in-law Monty works for the state. So I'm going to give you a little bit of tour. I got some instructional things that I want to share with you. And this is a 1991 Warrior, okay? And I love her. I've put 14,000 miles on it and haven't had one bit of problems with it. Had to do a tire, and that's about it. So what I'm going to do is go inside in a little bit. First of all, I want to go back here, and I want to take note of this vent. Okay, I put this vent up here for a reason, and I want to show you why. But also what I want to show you that I had to actually cut a hole in the side of this fiberglass shell that's around the 91 Warrior. I also wanted to show you something down here that is some damage that when I got the rig, it was already damaged, obviously. And so I think that I may have solved a problem. And one of those problems is when I cut some chunks out, you can see that some of these chunks, there you go. Now there's usually a nice skin on the back side of this, but you can see this chunk is going to kind of go right there. So I'm going to be able to cover that up. So that's going to be a plus that I really didn't figure on when I went to put in the unit up there. Alrighty, so let's go inside. Yeah, I actually live here. My bed, my sign. Yeah, this is the name of my rig, is Liberty. I'll give you a really quick pan around here. Right here is where I keep all the batteries for the solar system that's on top. I've been 10 months without being plugged in at all. 3 or 4 nights I paid while I was out, but all in all, happy. But what we got here is the other side of that vent. I had a friend of mine, actually my son, to give me a brand new air conditioner. I said, son, how do I mount it? Where do I put it? I don't want to put it on top. I don't want something sticking out there. Well, as you can see right here, there's this void that's right behind my charge controller. You can see it's about, I think it's about 8.5 inches until you get to the skin. Right here is what I call my charging station. Charging by my inverter, instrumentation. You'll see the AC down here, and I got some USBs right there. So what I got here is I got an air conditioner because I was told over and over again, oh, Gary, don't go to New Mexico, Arizona, Texas during the summertime because you burn up in that rig. Well, praise the Lord, I now have an air conditioner that works. You can probably hear it running. And it's actually working well. Here's the name on it. If I can get it focused in here, right there. I don't know what that is. And so you can see that it's pretty small. Okay, pretty small little unit, fits right in here. Fritz just tucks in here just beautifully. And hopefully it's going to make my horizons a little bit wider, so now that I can go to Texas. And please don't laugh, but I recently built some shelves that into my shower area because I found that all the time I had stuff that was out and it was in the way. And so what I've done is I've actually cut some holes. They look kind of sloppy right now. Cut some holes, freed up some space down here, okay? And you can see that I've got a lot of bean storage just in case what's going on. Yeah, and there I am right there. And so yeah, I wanted to show you that. I wanted to show you, secondly, obviously my range, my stove, my dirty sink, my new curtains. But what I wanted to show you was this piece. Okay, this is the outside skin. Okay, this is how thick that outside foam is, and then this is a very thin, let's say it's 3/16 of an inch of the inside skin. Okay, so I thought that would be really interesting to everybody to see that. Oh my gosh, it's so simple to take yourself a saber saw and just cut out a hole. It's extremely simple. Since we're here, I wanted to show you, since we have the pandemic going on and all this 9 yards, this is kind of what I take every day for my immune system, because I certainly want to keep the energy up at 74. You certainly got to do that. So I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to wave goodbye here. I ask you to all subscribe to my channel. It's Let It Be RV. And if you're watching this video, all you have to do is hit subscribe and be able to make sure to hit the little bell, and you'll see every time that I post something. Also, just side note, as you know, if you know me, you know I'm very political, but I don't use YouTube for politics at all. I only use YouTube for traveling, instructional, meetups, that kind of stuff. So you'll see that I have a few videos up on my YouTube channel. So y'all be safe, be happy, and don't let life get you down. Bye-bye.